Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Fade King professional hair clippers. But this one, it's a hair trimmer. Yo, on this video, I'm gonna make only an unboxing of this hair trimmer. As you can see, this is something really different. No box, just this bag, which I found very good. Totally different from others. It's not bad. Inside, you got the warranty. Yes, this is it. Got 6,500 RPM, 1,200 milliamp battery, 10 watts, 2 hours charging time, and 240 minutes operating time. When you are charging, it shows red, and when it's fully charged, it's green. So what else inside? We got a little brush and three guides. Okay, another manual, bigger one. Got charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C, which is good. I really like this bag. So this is it. It's not a long trimmer, it's short. See that? Fits my hand. And I have to say thumbs up to Fade King, for engraving his name on the blades. This is good. Wait. See that? Fade King. USB Type-C. Power button. And it's possible to be zero gapped. And Walty white blade fits on this trimmer. Sound check. It's a very quiet one. You see, it's green. Just one speed also. So let's make an RPM test. $5,733.